explosions. We're trying to get confirmation.
What?
We seem to have lost
What did
contact
he
with our
say?
affiliate stations.
Oh, no.
We do have coming in. That's confirmed reports. I repeat, confirmed reports of nuclear detonations in New York and Pennsylvania. My God.
Oh my god.
We need to get to the vault. Now!
I've got Sean. Let's go.
Residents of Sanctuary Hills, if you are registered, evacuate to Vault 111 immediately.
It's okay.
Just help me pack it up! God, I can't lose these. That'll be all I have left.
Residents of Sanctuary Hills.
If you're in the vault program, head to the gate.
That's absurd! I am
Not on
vault
the list.
theft.
You don't get in.
I'm going in. You can't stop me. Okay.
Hey,
If you're in the program,
letting
step
you
forward.
in?
Otherwise,
And not
return
me?
home.
we need to get in. We're on the list.
Infant, adult male, adult female. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Good luck, ma'am. God help us all. Follow me. Come on.
What's gonna happen to all those people outside the
Doing
gate?
everything we can. Now keep moving.
This way!
Step on the platform in the center.
All right, that's it. Send it down.
Almost there. We're gonna be okay. I love you. Both of you.
We love you too.
Hold on!
Oh God.